At the core of any effective maintenance strategy lies an enterprise asset management solution that enables you to reduce downtime while optimizing operational efficacies. Hexagon EAM is a true SaaS-delivered cloud solution that will provide you with faster, seamless upgrades that typical on-premise solutions do not provide. Hexagon EAM's integrated modular solution allows you to register any asset portfolio with full ISO compliance to manage all of your assets efficiently. Even the most sophisticated maintenance practices today may not satisfy the needs of tomorrow, especially when you factor in the rapid growth of technological capabilities. Partnering with an innovative, best-of-breed asset management is crucial for success in today's fast-paced world. Hexagon EAM supports core functions to track inventory and equipment maintenance, but also includes modules and functionality utilizing technology and industry best practices to optimize and streamline maintenance strategies. Hexagon EAM provides industry-based implementation accelerators that lead to a rapid return on your investment. A modern mobility-centric platform enables you to achieve your maintenance goals. Efficient execution mandates that remote workers have access to asset, work, and materials management from mobile devices. With Hexagon EAM's digital work application, all content normally restricted to a desktop terminal is delivered in a personalized mobile layout, allowing your organization to prioritize your users and improve workforce effectiveness. Hexagon's world-class mobile applications are device agnostic and are developed and fully supported by Hexagon without the need for third-party involvement. Within the application, users experience the same functionality as if they were on the desktop, whether requesting, planning, executing, or reviewing work and reports. EAM is highly configurable, and its extensibility framework enables you to streamline your business processes and increase user adoption for roles across the organization. In addition to the core pillars of asset management, your business can leverage asset performance management capabilities, connecting monitored equipment and devices, enabling a continuous data flow to support failure monitoring and action notifications, automating work generation, risk analysis, and condition tracking. Connected device data is available to your organization for optimizing asset utilization, repair time, and maintenance or capital planning. The cloud-based, scalable, and powerful constraint optimizer allows for automation and simplifies maintenance planning and capital expenditure planning. Scheduling priority for work is automated, accounting for personnel availability, qualifications, and location. Investment plans can be created to consider inflation, budgetary constraints, time, and prioritize based on asset criticality, risk, or both. The Constraint Optimizer increases scheduling accuracy, execution, efficiency, and your organization's investment capabilities. Data-driven insights become available from asset data gathered through an asset's lifecycle. Hexagon EAM provides reports, dashboards, and KPIs to bring graphical insights to your users. These role-based, personalizable dashboards enable real-time drill down into supporting data. Gaining access to accurate data assists in making critical decisions. With Hexagon EAM, you can streamline your maintenance journey. Leverage powerful and configurable mobility features to meet the needs of every role. Plan for your future state from a single solution by managing asset performance and creating effective investment plans for your equipment's existing data. Full lifecycle asset management is key to a holistic, efficient maintenance strategy and the peak of the maintenance maturity model. Hexagon EAM will empower your organization to achieve new heights of operational excellence. Automate repetitive business tasks, gather rich data insights from mission-critical assets, and support sustainability-driven initiatives. Thrive in asset management and embrace a smart digital reality.